You fall in here, you got to go take.
So it is, we'll say 15 inches, round it up. So we need bucket 1 and bucket 2.
That's one.
Here's 1, here's 2. And Roger, the reason we do this is because bolts are different lengths.
Oh.
And they, by doing this, we can keep them straight and not sort around for them. Alright. Okay, so let's take a look. We do all that to look at the impeller. This is the heart. This is the heart of the system, is right. Yeah, put that on. And see, the impeller actually doesn't look too bad. See that? Does it look like there's anything in there?
No, that's nothing in there.
No, it's looking good. There were leaves. There were leaves down there, but we've had this before, Roger, where this was full. I have pictures I'll send you. That it's just full.
Yeah, this is clean.
This
Wow.
Okay, and it rotates.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. So let's replace the gasket.
Is this a place where plumbing grease would be of any help? Makes things easier to come off in the future? I've got some at home if I want to go get it.
No, right now let's not, and the only reason I say that is because
Looks good.
it looks good, and we know what's worked in the past. But I'm thinking I used Crisco grease one time, and that didn't work.
Well, go. If you go to the store, they sell plumbing grease.
They do, yeah.
And I use it religiously because you got one little hole there that's it isn't punched out. You see it? On the gasket. Yeah. But I use it, for example, when I put my hoses, when I put a nozzle on a hose, or hook the hose up to the house, I always use plumbing grease because then you could just untie it, and a year later it just comes right off. So I become a fan of plumbing grease.
Well, it's good to know. Now here's something else. You're not going to see this when we put the flange on very easily. You see this? When we prime the system, this is loosened. In fact, is there a 9/16?
Is that one?
Is that a 9/16 or a half? That's
When this flew,
this is 9/16. Well, here's the thing. This is so the water level is here, but there's still air up here, and by loosening
the air comes.
loosening this, when we see the air stop and the water come out, then this is a little trick I learned as I've did it, kept doing it for all these years. This is really key, because then once this,
Yeah, air
yeah.
goes out.
So once this is, the air is out, water's coming out, and we've got the water down, and then we know the whole thing is full.
Yeah.
Like right here, won't be any air there.
Right.
So here's what we're going to want to do. We're going to want to fill with the hose this up right here. And we could even do that with
With water.
we could even do that with a bucket.
Yeah. Right.
So
Just get.
Roger, I'm going to put you to work.
Okay.
Oh wait a minute, you're filming this.
Go. I take water. Hold on.
There's water here.
There's water there.
Yeah, I guess we could. I never thought about that. Normally we get it from the faucet.
Oh well, I can get it from. Where's the faucet? Right there.
I get it.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
go ahead.
Yeah.
And so this little bit here, you fill it with water. This is goes to the top.
Okay.
And if the check valve is working, then it'll stay about that level. If not, when we
Oh sure.
feed it through the top, we know it's gonna be full because we have. You don't need a lot.
Well,
All the way. It's good. Just dump it till it runs over. Okay, that's good. So now it's been how long has it been? It's only been maybe a little under, maybe 12 minutes. So now we're ready to start putting it together.
Is that time important, or you're just making a note of it?
I'm just so you know.
Making a note of it. Got it.
Am I missing anything that you can think of? Okay. Yeah, so we'll let's get some. Let's see. Let's get at least one here, and let's give you a couple. We'll line these up and. So I'm gonna line this one up, and you, how's that? Might have to rotate. Alright. We're good. Go ahead and close that valve. All right. So now what we need to do is hook up the hose and turn it on and start filling the system. Now I stuck a. You okay now?
yeah.
This is the hose that goes up and into the
Yeah.
top of that pipe
Yeah,
up
it
there.
is. And what we'll do is,
Fill it up and
yeah, fill it up, and you know, this is kind of a waiting period. It might take 15 minutes, but once we bleed the air, once that fills and we bleed the air, and it gets up to the level of that pipe, then it's a matter of turning on the pump.
This pump
Sure
here?
it works. Yeah, and the turning on the pump is extremely complex.
Yeah.
You flip this up.
You flip that handle up,
Flip it up.
and that turns it on. Okay. Oh, wow.
yeah, I'll go with that.
I'll go with you. At least to the bottom there. And Frank, I'm wondering why we do that. Maybe we don't need to.
You can fill the hole? No, as long as that water
As long as that's full.
pipe is full, yeah.
So, all right. So
That's a start.
let's go. Well, we'll have to come back here to pull the hose out, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. We're going to assume it would suck in. So, Frank, you want to do the honors? I'm going to put a hand on this, see if I can feel. Seems like I can feel water going through it. And you see it slowing down now on the fleet?
Yeah, yeah.
So now, what we're looking, keep our fingers crossed, and we should have a good flow up above. That's a half gallon. You know the reason for it, right? Sometimes riders will come back in a couple hours or even a day, and it won't be going. And then we have to figure out what's going on. I am a little concerned that I shot myself in the foot by waking everything up because it was on the bottom. But we'll find out. I mean, the pickup tube is all clear, so if it happens, that's why it happened. And I wouldn't do it again.
Yeah.